Interest. A feeling of wanting to know or learn about something. His interest in science began at a young age. She has a growing interest in cooking. The book captured my interest from the first page. There is a lot of interest in the upcoming election. He took an interest in her hobbies.